Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna see how to turn a plain butter croissant into tasty and delicious almond croissant. So let's get started. First let's make the almond paste. Into a bowl add some butter, sugar and some almond flour. Mix it really well. Now take a plain croissant, cut it open. Add some sugar syrup on both the sides. Add the almond butter paste. Add some more on the top. Here I'm also adding some almond flakes. Now transfer that into a baking tray, then bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. Once it cools down, add some powdered sugar on top. And that's it, our almond croissants are ready. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipe videos. See you in the next video.